Hey fams, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Amy, CEO, Plentitude CEO, Jack of all trades CEO, Master of all. Today we'll be making this bag. Yes, this very beautiful bag. Let's get right into the video. For this very beautiful bag, we'll be using measurements of 11 for the length and 13 inches for the width. We're also going to be cutting our wedding and our lining the same 11 by 13 inches, and then we'll sew our lining to our material. For the handle, we'll be using 3 by 27 inches. When you fold together, we'll be having 1.5 for the width. Then for the pleating, we'll be using 5 by 60 inches, and then we'll pleat. This is what it looks like after pleating. For the pockets, we will be using 5 by 7 inches. You fold or you bond. We're going to be folding our width of 13 inches into 2, and then we're going to trim out all the edges, and then we'll measure. For the up, we'll be using 1.5. For the middle, we'll be using half inch, and for the down, we'll be using 1 inch. Then we're going to join all our lines together and then cut it out. We'll be doing the same for our back. Fold into 2, place the front inside, measure it out, and then we're going to cut it out. We're going to take our lining and stitch, but before that, please sew the pocket to the lining first before you attach it to the material. This is what we have after we've attached everything together. Next, we'll be attaching our handle. To attach our handle, we're going to be folding our fabric into 2 to get the middle point. Once we've gotten the middle point, we will be measuring forward by 2 inches. Yes. After that, from the left, we're going to measure 2 inches from the left and 2 inches from the right. We'll also be doing the same for the back. 2 inches from the left and 2 inches from the right. Now this is how you attach your hand, and then you take it to the machine and we'll be sewing it. If you're still watching, please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and please share. Let's get back into the video. This is what we have after attaching our handles. For the zip, we're going to open it into 2. Place the zip facing backwards, and then we stitch. We'll do the same for the other part. Place it downwards and then stitch. After stitching, we'll come place the zip forward this way and stitch. Now after the zip, we're going to be placing our pleating round one side, one end of our fabric, and then we're going to stitch it round it. This is all we have after stitching. So we're going to place all the handles inside the bag, make sure it's inside, and then we'll sew round. This is what we have after we're done sewing. From the zip, turn your bag out. Make sure you bring out all the edges. Our bag is ready. Please iron so that your bag can be flat and Neat. Please tell me what you think about this bag in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.